Question 12. A long sleeve shirt has 8 front buttons and 2 cuff buttons. A short sleeve shirt has 6 front buttons and no cuff buttons. The factory which makes slim boy shirts uses 10 times as many front buttons as cuff buttons. What is the ratio of long sleeve shirts to short sleeve shirts produced by the factory? Now, there are a lot of words there. There are a lot of words, but what we've got to find out is how many buttons are on each shirt and what combination of cuffs to not cuffs buttons there are. So transferring that information, we've got long sleeved, front cuff buttons, short sleeved, so for every 2 cuff buttons, we have 8 front buttons on long sleeved. Now we only have cuff buttons here. We don't have cuff buttons here. So we're told that there are 10 times as many front buttons as cuff buttons. So we can't have just long sleeve shirts because we've only got 4 times the amount of buttons on a long sleeve shirt. We are told that we need to have in the ratio 10 to 1 in terms of front buttons and cuff buttons, 10 times. We know that cuff buttons have to come in 2s. So let's look at 2 to 20. And then we need to find out what proportion of what combination of long sleeve shirts and short sleeve shirts can make something in the order of 20. So if we take away 1 long sleeve shirt, because we've only got 2, if we take away 1 long sleeve shirt, we have 12. And we need 6 for every short sleeved. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. So this represents 1 long sleeved and 2 short sleeved, and therefore it is in the ratio 1 to 2. For every 1 long sleeved, there are 2 short sleeved. This is complicated by the fact that you're looking at a ratio of buttons, and then you're looking at a ratio of long sleeved to short sleeved. What we did, we worked out, and it could be that it was 30 to 3, 40 to 4. Now we can't have 10 to 1 because if we're actually looking at real buttons, we can't have 30 to 3, but we're going to start with that 20 to 2. What we're saying is, okay, so if one of those is going to be long sleeved and 1 represents those 2 cuff buttons, if one of those, then we've got 12 buttons left over. And if we've got 12 buttons left over, that's exactly 6 short sleeve shirts. So 20 works very nicely, and we get a ratio of 1 long sleeve shirt to 2 short sleeved shirts.